You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, this word, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous trees, plants, and beyond vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Elm is how it's pronounced. It's essentially an E sound, an L sound, and an M sound. It's not very easy to say, but it's pretty straightforward a pronunciation. It's a genus of trees. Elm, how to pronounce in English, elm. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.